Okay, grade 8, the book which we learned in grade 8, that is D2, book D2. You have to buy the book D2. The chapter that is included in your syllabus, that is chapter number 10, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is the Pythagoras? So let me tell you the short story. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher and mathematician. Okay, Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher and mathematician. In addition, Pythagoras theorem, he also discovered the musical notes. Okay, so Pythagoras जो था एक ग्रीक फिलोसफर था एंड इज ऑल्सो द मैथमेटिशियन और उसने हमें ये डिस्कवर करके दिया था और ये पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का बना के दिया था ठीक है सो ओपन द पेज नंबर 263 was example 1 you don't have to do work in your copy right now just look at the screen and listen carefully ठीक है in this chapter we come across only the right angle triangle so what is the property of the right angle triangle in right angle triangle, one angle should be at 90 degrees, okay? One angle should be 90 degrees. That's why we call it right angle triangle. Now, you can see there's 12 centimeter. The side where we make the angle, that is called base, okay? And the opposite side of the base is called opposite side, okay? Or you can say perpendicular, opposite side. And the longest side of the triangle is called hypotenuse. First of all, you have to recognize the sides. Okay. Okay, screen is not clear. Let me share again. Now it's clear, Fatma Raza. Can you see my screen clearly? Just give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you, Ms. Ba. So we move on our topic. Page number 263, okay? So first of all, we have to recognize the sides of the triangle. If the triangle is given, the base side, the 12 centimeter, where we make an angle that is called base. The opposite side of the angle is called opposite side, that is 5 centimeter. And the longest side of the triangle is hypotenuse, okay? The longest side of the triangle is hypotenuse. There are 3 sides in a triangle. Everyone knows that there are 3 sides in a triangle. The side where we make an angle that is called base. The opposite side is called the opposite side and the longest side of the triangle is called hypotenuse. Okay. Everyone knows there are 3 sides. Now I'm going to tell you the names of the 3 sides, that base, opposite side and the hypotenuse. Okay. So let's move on the solution. How we write in triangle ABC. Everyone knows that yes, we call perpendicular or the opposite side. Okay. In triangle ABC, okay, triangle ABC, the angle C is 90 degree. Everyone knows that in right angle triangle, one angle should be 90 degree, okay. So using a Pythagoras theorem, what is the formula of the Pythagoras theorem? The formula of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus opposite side square, okay. Let's see. AB square. AB, what is AB? AB is hypotenuse, right? Everyone should memorize the formula of Pythagoras theorem. This formula is followed throughout the chapter, okay? AB. What is the name of the hypotenuse? AB. So we follow the formula AB square. Square is come from the formula, ठीक है? Formula में square है. AB square is equal to BC square, base square, ठीक है? Base, what is the base? Base is the BC. So BC square plus opposite side square. Opposite side is AC. So AC square. So this is the formula. This is a general formula which we use throughout the chapter. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus opposite side square. Okay. अब जो भी नंबर नेम्स देंगे हम उसको यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे. ए बी की जगह अगर पी क्यू आर ट्राइंगल होता तो हम पी क्यू आर के नेम्स देते. ठीक है. These are the variables that can be changed, but keep in your mind first आपको hypotenuse लिखना है, then base, then opposite side. Now put the value. That is very simple. What is the value of BC? The value of BC is 12. Square फॉर्मूले का है तो हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. What is the value of AC is 5 और square. ठीक है. Now how we solve the square? Square means multiply by the same term. 12 multiply by 12. You can use your calculator as well. Yes. So answer is 144. Now plus sign as it is. Now 5. What is the square of 5? It means 5 multiplied by its own number. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Now add them. 144 plus 25 is 169. Okay? 169. Now what you have to do? You have to do the root because यहाँ में square की value आई है. AB square की value find हुई है. We have to find the value of simple AB. So what we have to do? We root लगाएंगे हम. Let me show you. ठीक है, जैसे हमने स्क्वायर रूट लगाया, आपके पास साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर होगा तो आप स्क्वायर रूट सेलेक्ट करेंगे, देन यू राइट 169 एंड इज इक्वल टू दबाएंगे तो 169 का रूट आ जाएगा, दैट इज 13. मींस 13 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 13 इज 165 169. 169 का रूट क्या होगा? 13 होगा. इन दिस वे वी फाइंड द रूट. ठीक है, तो ए बी की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी इज 13 सेंटीमीटर. इज द वर्ड एग्जांपल 1. ओके, now come to the exercise. You don't need to do word example in your notebook. You just start from the exercise. First of all, you have to, all of you make a title page of first bi-monthly, then exercise. Yes, you can pronounce. Okay. Now come to the exercise 10A, basic level, page number 266. What is the question? Find the value of unknown in each of the following right angle triangle. Okay, what you have to do? You have to find the value of unknowns. Okay, first of all, recognize the base, opposite side and hypotenuse. So base is 21, opposite side is 20 and hypotenuse is a centimeter. So what you have to find? A centimeter. Value of hypotenuse. Let me show you how to do this. Can you see? Chapter name is Pythagoras theorem, page number 266, book D2 Harris. Okay. Now what you have to do? Same formula you have to write. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus opposite side square. So what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse not given, so just write a square. What is the value of the base? Is 20. And what is the value of hypotenuse? Oh, sorry, opposite side, that is 21. Okay, ये values आगे पीछे हो सकते हैं because both are the positive sign. So square of 20 is 400 and square of 21 is 441. Add them, then you got 841. You can use your calculator. Now find the root. Take a root on both sides. ठीक है, a स्क्वायर पे भी हम रूट लगाएंगे एंड 841 पे भी रूट लगाएंगे. जब आप कैलकुलेटर में रूट का साइन प्रेस करके 841 लिखेंगे एंड प्रेस इज इक्वल टू, तो यू गॉट 29. इट्स मीन 29 को 29 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आपका 841 आंसर आता है. ठीक है, so 29 is your answer and it is a value of hypotenuse. Similarly, we do the part B. ठीक है, what we have to find the part B? C. The longest side is the hypotenuse or opposite. ठीक है, opposite side and the base side. ठीक है, so in this question again we have to find the hypotenuse. So what is the value of hypotenuse? Nothing, it's b. B square. Square is come from the formula I told you already. And what is the value of, don't do this, don't do this. Okay, what is the value of base? That is 12. So 12 is square. What is the value of opposite side? That is 35. So 35 is square. Now what is the square of the 12? 12 multiplied by 12, that is 144. And what is the square of the 35? That is 35 multiplied by 35, it becomes 1225. Okay, now add them. You can use your calculator. Calculation is very simple. ठीक है, You got your answer, that is 1369. Okay, 1369. Make a root on both sides. Similarly, आप square root press करेंगे, then 1369 लिखेंगे, and you got your answer, that is 37. Which means 37 multiplied by 37, then you got 1369. In this way, we have to do our remaining parts.